Manifest anything in 7 days using this magic water bottle technique. This is our favorite technique and Indu uses it every day. I use it every day. She's going to give you a real demonstration right now how we use it every day. So Indu, magic water bottle.
Yeah, very simple. You need a pen, you need water bottle, and you need a duct tape. Okay. You can use any paper also, but I prefer a duct tape because it's easy.
चिपक जाता है वो.
Easy, निकालने में भी easy हो जाता है. Now, again, as usual, first clarity of goals.
Yes.
Have complete clarity. What are you looking?
क्या manifest करना है सोच लो, decide कर लो.
क्या manifest करना है सोच लो, decide कर लो. So say you're manifesting. I'm going to just write the feelings right now, but you can write whatever you want. So I'm writing a feeling of say love, happiness.
Because?
Yeah, I'm putting at the rise. Showing.
Okay.
Okay, can we see? So very simple.
Love, happiness,
Happiness.
any emotion that you want to manifest. You can write down that emotion.
Balance. You can write money. You can write any
एक
relationship.
गोल का एग्जांपल लिख देते हैं अपना वाला.
Again, as usual, 5 crores net profit
Every month.
every month per month.
ये देखो. 5 crores net profit
Every month.
every month.
So you just write this. Write whatever you are looking for. You can write multiple affirmations. Yes, I get this question a lot. That can I write multiple affirmations? Yes, you can. बॉटल बहुत बड़ा है और 2 टेप लगा सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे. आराम से सब कुछ लिख सकते हैं. हम लोग इसमें हमारे जीनी एंजल की हेल्थ भी लिखते हैं. So we write everything that we are healthy, fit, we are happy, we are in love, we have a lot of intimacy, we have money so much. Everything you can write. What
और फिर क्या करें इस बॉटल का?
बहुत सिंपल है. इसमें उसके बाद में आपको पानी भरना है.
Obviously पानी भरना है और कुछ नहीं.
पानी भरने That's true. पानी भरने के बाद में keep that water for few hours at least. So I generally fill up
At
the
night.
waters at night, and then morning में we start using that water for entire day. We use that water.
So रात को ये पानी नहीं.
रात को मत पियो क्योंकि अगर आपका 2-3 दिन से चल रहा है साइकिल में है तो ठीक है, पर पहली बार जब बनाओगे तो एक बार उसको एटलीस्ट 12 घंटे रहने दो.
Yes.
उसके बाद में मॉर्निंग में व्हेन यू वेक अप यू कैन स्टार्ट हैविंग दिस वाटर. वी कैन स्टार्ट रीफिलिंग इट. वी कैन स्टार्ट हैविंग इट. दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट डू यू डू विद द पेपर? एज सिंपल एज दैट. जब खराब हो जाए इसको प्लीज निकाल दो. दूसरा पेपर बनाओ. फिर से अफर्मेशंस लिखो और बना दो. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उस पेपर को फेंक दो.
Because when we are having the water, sometimes it drips.
Yeah.
So it can make the water, the paper go bad because the ink may start blotting. That happens. Don't worry about it. Remove the paper. Put another one. Again, write your goals. Again, write your emotions that you want to manifest. Let's say right now, some of you are going through anxiety or sadness. Simply write happiness, calm, satisfaction, peace of mind.
Enjoy.
Anything you want to manifest, write it on that. Yes.
Yeah.
Keep it at night. Morning you wake up.
अटेंडेंस बहुत सारी चीजें लिख सकते हैं. हाँ. And
So when you're drinking this water in the morning, what are we really consuming?
you are actually consuming this energy. This energy goes inside the bottle, inside the water, and this is a science. This is not hocus pocus. This is a science. So the energy of your words goes inside the water, and when you consume it, that energy goes inside your body. So, for example, I wrote love. When I wrote love energy has gone inside the
The
water.
water.
And the water I consume, so love energy has gone inside.
Shortcut vibrations.
Then I start vibrating at love frequency. I start attracting love in my life.
Perfect. Give us an example of one of our students who manifested an amazing goal using the water bottle magic technique.
बहुत सारे. Again, I have a lady. She was not getting her divorce, unfortunately, and she manifested divorce. There is a lady.
उसने लिखा था happily divorced.
Divorce, yeah.
And she actually got the divorce peacefully. Like there was not much fights after that. And there was a mutual arrangement between them and things settled very peacefully.
Yeah. Then there was one person. She wanted to sell one of her flats. So she couldn't sell. So she wrote that my flat is sold at a price I wanted. And it happened very nicely. Then there was one more very, very powerful one is there are, I think, 4 or 5 ladies. They conceived.
Yes.
So there is first one which we were thrilled about was she just wrote that I am a mother of 2 healthy babies, and she got twins.
She got twins.
And then after that, of course, learning from that, there are many ladies who manifested, and I have around 5 at least cases where
DMP में लोगों ने result share.
they manifested babies. Matlab the ladies manifested pregnancy. Then there is one more where a lady was not getting custody of her baby boy. So she manifested custody of her baby boy.
Amazing.
So there are many, many results of it. And we personally put a lot of affirmations. One more thing, you can also put the same tape on your filter also. I have it on my filter. You just write it and cut it out and put it on the filter. So it goes in everybody's tummy also.
Perfect. और जब गोल पूरा हो जाए तो पेपर निकाल दो, फिल्टर करने वाला पेपर
नए affirmations लिखो.
Amazing. And if you want to practice with us, all you have to do, we'll give you a gift right now. In the video description below this video right now, there's a link. Click on that link quickly and register now with your name, mobile number and email ID. And what are we giving them?
Advanced Law of Attraction first lesson.
Yes, first lesson of Advanced Law of Attraction is completely free for you. And we'll give you something more as a bonus, which is special. It's a gift, but because it's a surprise, I will not tell you now. When you subscribe, you will get all those surprises in your email. Make sure that you not only experience it, but after you apply this technique also, the water bottle magic technique, and when you get your results, क्या करना है?
आके प्लीज शेयर करो, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब कोई शेयर करता है.
So please share your results with us. Tell us in the comment section. And the best way to apply this technique is with your friends and family. Share this video right now with 3 friends. You'll see there is a share button right below this video. Share it right now with 3 of your friends on WhatsApp, on email, and tell them to do the water bottle technique with you so that you can compare the results between you and your friends, create that excitement, create that kind of a teamwork, right? Manifesting teamwork works so beautifully when you're using the same technique together as group friends. We all inspire each other that way. And if you want to know what is the next technique we are creating and what is the next video we are creating for you, how do they know?
Subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Subscribe now, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you soon in our next video giving you more powerful techniques to manifest all your goals in life.
I keep getting a lot of questions. Can I use this copper bottle? Can I use plastic bottle? Can I use glass bottle? Yes, you can use any bottle. Copper, plastic, glass, steel, जो भी है मेरा ये bottle. I don't know what is it called. It's a Borosil bottle. So you can use any bottle.
Not beer bottle, not whiskey bottle.
Okay, not sure. That is one. You can put it on your RO filter. You can put it on your matka. You can put it on कुछ और vessel है आपके घर में, उस पे डाल सकते हैं कोई.
Some people use तांबे का पानी, तांबे का bottle.
Yeah. Can you boil the water? Yes. You can boil the water and put it in the bottle. You can take the water from the bottle and boil it. You can do that. Okay. What do you do with the paper? Please tear and throw or keep it as a memory. Doesn't matter. Okay.
What matters is that every day when you're sleeping at night, that word is written over there. Those affirmations are written on that particular paper. And all night, the water is consuming the energy from these words. And in the morning, you're consuming this magic water. That is why we call it the magic water bottle with the magic water. So promise me that you will do it starting today. And in 7 days, you'll attract some magical results. And when you achieve them, remember to share your results with us.